Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about PCI requirement A1.2.1. This requirement for multi-tenant service providers addresses audit logging. So the provider has to ensure that appropriate logging is enabled, and this logging has to meet the requirements that are defined in PCI DSS requirement 10. So there's a couple different pieces of this. So the logs need to be enabled for common third-party applications. Logs are active by default, so they need to be on at all times. Logs are available for review only by the owning customer. This is a really critical part. So one thing that can happen in environments that are in this multi-tenant situation is that if incorrectly configured, customer A could see customer B's logs. And this poses a very large security vulnerability because, as obviously, logs can have important information that could expose a new threat vector for the client. The next piece of this is that log locations are clearly communicated to the owning customer. So just enabling the logs is not good enough. You have to be able to tell the customer, hey, this is where you need to go to look at your logs. So making sure that they have a good understanding of where the logging is and how to access it is going to be a critical part. And then the final piece is that the log data meets the requirement 10, the PCI DSS requirement 10 requirements. So as a multi-tenant service provider, you have to make sure that the logs are available for the clients and that they meet the requirements in requirement 10 and that they are only accessible by the specified customer.